Good day mates, magandang araw. How are you guys doing? Kamusta kayo dyan? Welcome to another video for our Techie Tuesday. This time we will be unboxing another item that we can use for photography, for video recording, for cinematography, or even just when you're traveling to somewhere for a selfie or for whatever purpose you may want to use this item. And it is the Flexipod or flexible tripod. Unlike the more popular Gorillapod used by many YouTubers, travelers, or another selfie kings and queens, this looks like a little bit different, mainly physically but also the quality. I think this is more sturdy. This is just a cheap edition I bought from Amazon for only £8. Now I think it cost £9. So let's see what's inside. Gagamitin namin siya next week. We will be traveling to London, and so I thought of using this one and try how flexible it can be. So let's open it right now. After this, I'll follow the videos, the photos in which I used this item. So let's see what's inside. So mainly we've got the tripod itself, the plastic. Mahirap siya ilabas kasi rubber to. There you go. It's sticky. The material is like a good quality rubber, and we have high quality plastics on top of it, and the base are actually rubberized, so they're supposed to be sticky, and they should be sticky, so you can bend it to make it more stable. But later we will see how we're going to, position this in different ways. So you can use it like this, put your camera or GoPro on top of it. And so, then with the action camera attachment, or tool, and this one I think goes into the other one. This one, so ito yung ball joint niya, so it's flexible. This one attaches here. Okay, what else? We've got the smartphone attachment or clip or holder we can put directly onto the top of this or on top of the flexible joint or flexible ball. Flexi-ball, let me just call it flexible. Attach it here, and you attach it here as well. Okay, right there. So ayan siya. And it comes with a remote, so later we will try kung gaano ka ganda gamitin, how nice this remote is. So it can be used for iOS and also for Android. Let's see later. So following this one, I'll be trying out this new equipment or new tool outside, and I'll show it to you now. So this is when I tried to use the remote from a short distance hanggang sa mas malayo na siya, from like 5 meters away up to 30 or 40 meters away. I'm actually pleased by the quality of this remote. There you have it. So ayan, there you have it. I hope I was able to give you a good review of this item. Actually, just a quick one, just to see how flexible it is. And my final verdict, or my verdict, is I would definitely recommend this tool to everyone, whether you are a selfie lover, a traveler, or even if you are a professional photographer. So there you go. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel down there. Kita-kita na lang ulit. See you on my next video, mates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.